Hiring the right people is arguably the most crucial skill for any business leader. And yet, so many managers continue to get hiring wrong. Why? Often it's because we haven't been trained to identify what really makes someone a good fit for our team. Instead of strategic hiring, we end up replicating ourselves, looking for candidates who mirror our own backgrounds and skills. This approach can lead to homogeneous teams that lack the diverse perspectives necessary for innovation and problem solving. So how do we fix hiring? First, it's about acknowledging that hiring is not just a sideline duty. It's a core competency that needs strategy and structure. Just like any business function, hiring should be approached with a clear methodology and the right tools. Today, companies are turning to technology and AI to assist in this process, using algorithms and data analytics to help predict candidate success more objectively. But while these tools help strip away some of the biases that cloud our judgments and can allow us to focus on factors that truly matter, they are not a silver bullet. Technology alone isn't the answer to your hiring problems. It's about combining these tools with a real human understanding of what your team needs. This means defining the role not just in terms of skills and experiences, but also considering how a candidate will complement and enhance your existing team dynamics. It's about cultural adaptability, potential for growth, and the ability to contribute uniquely to your team's objectives. Real-world practices in top-tier companies like BCG, Apple, or Zappos show that placing a high priority on structured interviews and rigorous but engaging recruitment processes pays off. These companies don't just evaluate skills. They look at how candidates solve problems, their work ethic, and how they align with the company's values. What they also do is provide candidates with enough exposure and context about the company for them to be able to make an informed career decision. This comprehensive approach minimizes the risks associated with bad hires and increases the likelihood of bringing on board individuals who will thrive and contribute over the long term. Now, if you want to build a successful team, start taking hiring seriously, and as seriously as your financial strategy or your marketing plan. It's not just about filling vacancies, but about building a robust foundation for your company's future. Remember, every hiring decision shapes the culture and capabilities of your organization. For any successful business, the most important product is the team that runs that business. So make every hire count and turn the daunting task of recruitment into a strategic asset. For more tips on hiring, hit subscribe and see you in the next video.